Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will design a smooth calligraphy stroke using stroke path. Start by choosing a calligraphy style brush from the brush preset list. Then draw a curved handwriting path using the pen tool, and also right click on the path and choose stroke path. Enable simulate pressure to make your stroke dynamic, and apply the stroke and watch your calligraphy appear smoothly. If the edges looks rough, lower brush spacing. If the stroke looks too thin, increase brush size. Add a gradient overlay for a metallic calligraphy finish. Slightly blur the edges for a more realistic ink flow. Duplicate the stroke layer for depth and richness. Try different brush shapes for unique writing style.